Hello, and welcome to Beyond Adjustment. My name is Amin Saeed. I am the founder of Cyber Adjustment. We are a digital marketing agency, and we help chiropractors like you build thriving practices by combining the power of cutting edge technology and digital marketing. Combine the two. That's what we do. Today, we're diving into the future of chiropractic care. And spoiler alert, it's not just about what happens in the treatment room anymore. From AI diagnostics to telehealth to the way you market your practice online, technology is reshaping chiropractic care and how patients discover and engage with you. Well, in this episode, we'll explore two major themes. First, the tech trends that are transforming patient care, like wearables and 3D printing. And second, of course, why digital marketing is just as important as your hands on skills when it comes to growing your practice in today's world. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or feeling a little overwhelmed by all the new tools out there, stick around. I'll break it all down and show you how to start future proofing your practice today. Let's kick things off with the tech trends that are making waves in chiropractic care. These initiatives aren't just for big hospitals or Silicon Valley startups. They're tools you can start using right now to enhance patient outcomes and streamline your practice. AI powered diagnostics and insights. Well, what is that? Let's start with artificial intelligence, which is what AI stands for. AI isn't about replacing chiropractors, it's about helping you work smarter. Imagine software that can analyze spinal scans or even predict patient outcomes based on past data. AI can save you time, reduce errors, give you deeper insights into your patient needs. Next, wearable health devices. Think posture monitors, activity trackers, and even smart insoles. These tools help patients stay accountable and give you real time data to track their progress. For example, if a patient's posture improves between visits, you can show them that data. It's a very powerful motivator. Now, telehealth. I get it. We're hands on practitioners, at least you are. So telehealth might feel like a stretch, but it's perfect for consultations, follow ups, and patient education. Plus, it opens access to patients who can't make it to your office as often as they would like, at least. So it's great for that. Now, I know I said 3D printing, but hear me out. This is a cool one. Imagine being able to create custom orthotics in-house. It saves time, reduces cost, and gives patients a personalized solution right on the spot. And then finally, AR. Yes, I said AR, augmented reality. Picture this. You're showing a patient an interactive 3D model of their spine, explaining exactly how your adjustments are helping them. AR takes patient education to the next level and builds trust, just like nothing else. Next, we'll dive into why digital marketing is the future of chiropractic. Here we are again. Now, let's shift gears and talk about digital marketing. If you think this doesn't apply to you as a chiropractor, think again. Digital marketing is the bridge between your expertise and the patients who need you. Here's the reality. Most patients are finding chiropractors online. They're Googling symptoms, searching for reviews, and scrolling through social media to find a practitioner who resonates with them. If your online presence isn't optimized, you're missing out. Plain and simple. The first step is having a strong website. Your website is like your digital storefront. It should be easy to navigate, highlight your expertise, and have clear calls to action like booking an appointment or downloading a free resource. Next, I want you to focus on your SEO, right? Search engine optimization. This is how you get found on Google. By optimizing your website and content with the right keywords like chiropractor near me or back pain relief, you can rank higher in search results and attract more patients organically. Then there's social media. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook aren't just for pretty pictures, they're powerful tools to connect with your community. Share patient success stories, educational content, or even behind the scenes moments from your practice. The more relatable you are, the more trust you'll build. And then finally, the one that people hate the most is paid ads. Whether it's Google ads or social media campaigns, running targeted ads can help you reach new patients fast. For example, you can target people in your area who are actively searching for chiropractors that moment, that day. It might cost you some, but the return on the investment is amazing. Let me bring it all together for you. Here's the exciting part. When you combine these two forces, tech driven care and digital marketing, you're setting your practice up for long term success. Imagine that. You're using AI to create personalized care plans, wearables to track your patient progress, and telehealth to expand your reach. At the same time, your digital marketing efforts are driving new patients to your practice, showcasing your expertise and building trust online. It's a powerful combination. And the best part, you don't have to do it all at once. Start small. Maybe introduce one new piece of technology, like a posture tracker, while revamping your website to make it more patient friendly. Well, this has been another episode of Beyond Adjustment. And if you're ready to dip your toes into this world, here are 3 quick steps you can take today. First, look at your website and social media through the eyes of a patient. Is it easy to navigate? Does it reflect your expertise? If not, make a plan to improve it. Second, pick one wearable device and try it with a small group of patients. Get their feedback and see how it fits into your workflow. And then 3, set a small budget and run an ad targeting people in your area searching for chiropractic care. It's a simple, effective way to start seeing results quickly. And that's a wrap on today's episode of Beyond Adjustment. We covered a lot: tech trends like AI and 3D printing, the importance of digital marketing, and how these tools can work together to transform your practice. If you're feeling inspired, but a little unsure where to start, that's where my team at Cyber Adjustment Digital Marketing Agency comes in. We specialize in helping chiropractors implement these strategies seamlessly so you can focus on what you do best, caring for your patients. I'd love to hear from you. What's one piece of tech or digital marketing strategy you're most excited to try? Let me know on social media or sending me a message through my website. Don't forget to subscribe to Beyond Adjustment so you never miss an episode. And if you enjoyed this one, share it with a colleague who's ready to take their practice to the next level. Until next time, keep adjusting, innovating, and growing.